Develop a beginner to intermediate tutorial on designing professional documents, certificates, and formal graphics with proper hierarchy and branding. Teach document template creation for business letters, invoices, and certificates. Demonstrate proper alignment, spacing, and typography for professional appearance. Cover incorporating logos and brand elements seamlessly. Teach text formatting for readability and visual balance. Include techniques for creating security features and professional flourishes in certificates. Cover preparation for both digital distribution and print. This tutorial targets small business owners, nonprofits, and administrative professionals needing professional document design without hiring